Terrorists in northern Iraq have seized nuclear materials that could be smuggled out of the country and used to make weapons of mass destruction. That's according to an official Iraqi letter to the UN obtained by Reuters. It comes as jihadists are bolstering their grip on the territory in Syria and Iraq, which they're calling the Islamic State. RT's Lindsay France has the latest.
What we've learned is that in a letter to the United Nations, Iraq announced insurgents have seized nuclear materials from Mosul University. According to Iraq's UN ambassador Mohammed Ali al-Hakim, at least 40 kilograms of uranium compounds were stored in the university. Al-Hakim said the materials obtained can be used in manufacturing weapons of mass destruction and warned they could easily be smuggled out of Iraq. A U.S. government official told Reuters news agency the materials are not believed to be enriched uranium and would therefore make it difficult to make into a weapon. It's also been revealed that Islamic State, the militants, the group formerly known as ISIS, captured a facility on June 11th, about 35 miles southwest of Baghdad, which was once operated by Saddam Hussein's regime and is believed to contain 2,500 degraded rockets filled with potentially deadly sarin and mustard gas. The U.S. officials have downplayed the risk, claiming the materials are too old to be useful. However, given the instability within the country and its proximity to Syria, this is still a very huge worry.
Well, as Lindsay mentioned, the militants have made significant gains in recent weeks, seizing entire arsenals. So they've already paraded columns of tanks and even a Scud ballistic missile. The chemical site ISIS took in Iraq contained a number of deadly agents, including sarin, cyanide and mustard gas. And now the jihadists have nuclear materials which could be used to make a bomb. The U.S. congressional advisor Walid Faris says Washington is downplaying the crisis.
It is a very serious development, regardless of how, weaponized this material could be. Now, of course, in Washington, there's going to be a debate about, is this really propaganda from the Iraqi government or is this real? No matter what, if this material has really been taken by ISIS or by any other jihadi faction, it's not just about the material. It's about what can this organization use this material for, and it's not necessarily a nuclear material, but a dirty bomb could be the outcome. So I think that in the next few days, the United States government, both executive and in the Congress, are going to focus on this issue, but at the same time, they're going to try to downplay it because of the seriousness of it, and they don't want to create a political crisis before they make sure of what this material is.